So I'm gonna do a test of this NEEWER reflector that I just purchased. As you can tell, it's not bad lighting for just daylight, but we're gonna see what happens when you put, look at that. This is just the silver. That's amazing. See how evenly that balanced it on? That was super quick. Instant payoff. This is with the black side. So it's over on this side, as you can tell. That kind of darkens, as you can see. So it reduces, it kind of builds more shadow. I guess reflectors come in like different pieces, but this is actually a 5-in-1. And by that they mean that there's actually a little inside that you unzip. So as you can see, the interior for the initial thing is gold. So you pull it out, I assume, well, we're gonna learn together, guys, because I've never, ooh, so you pull it out. So you have the translucent. So this is without anything, just normal. This is me. And then this kind of filters the light. As you can tell, if there's too much afternoon sun, it kind of, yeah, creates that nice diffusion. So we turn this guy inside out. And so we stuff this guy, we stuff this disc in here. And I'm gonna keep this tab out. Oh, very nice. So they have a notch right here, as you guys can see. See my finger come through here? Where you can actually stick this portion. So even in the different side, you could have that tab out, which is very smart design. Excuse my neighbors. You zip it up, and you have, great. So you have a white side, and then you have a gold. Again, in front of my window, light coming from that window, just barely because the sun's setting. Then this is with the gold reflector. You could tell it kind of just imbues a nice warmth, whereas the silver kind of just did like a glowy, like bright highlight. And then we're gonna do the white, and that adds a lot of light to the other side, but it's not as warm as you could tell. And this is great because I don't always have 3-point lighting, and sometimes there's shadows, but I have the white right under there, and it kind of bounces that light right off. So this is gonna be really helpful for my self-tapes, and I hope that this has helped you guys out making a decision if you guys need to purchase this for your arsenal. And perhaps one of the most important part of this tutorial will be on how to actually put it away. A regular sun shield that you would have for a car, you kind of twist like that. And you kind of like, you fold in. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but it certainly works. And voila. And play around with the little. I could be, you know, there might be more optimal ways to do it, and don't delay, just shove it in this little bag that it comes with, so that way it does not pop out at you. Pardon the mess. I haven't done all my spring cleaning yet, and obviously if I had the reflector, I would look cuter.